Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to be talking about resume and CVs, how to create one, and also your portfolio. All right. So I'm just going to go straight to the point. Resumes are job oriented or specific for specific job offerings. So you're basically going to use a one pager, right? When I mean a one pager, I mean a one page PDF document or Word document or different ways you can create a resume, right? Um, so when you create this resume, what you want to make sure it does is that it is tailoring your experience towards a particular job. So I'm just going to teach you a very, very simple way to do that. You don't need to stress yourself. All you need to go to is go to ChatGPT, write a prompt. Let's say you're a writer, to create a resume for a writer who has worked for, let's say you've worked for two organizations since 2020 as a lead copywriter. So it's just going to do all that stuff for you. And after it creates this, um, all you need to do, yep, skills, exactly. All you need to do is to take all of this detail, go to Canva, free design tool, look for a resume sample that resembles what you. So we go to resume, you look at the fields, contacts, profile summary, experience, no much stories, right? Then your name and the role. So this looks different. This is, remember I said one page. This might be similar. I think this is very similar. I think this is also good, but this is for paid. I think this is good, right? Either this or you use this. So let's assume that you want to use it. You just come here, click on this template to open, customize this template, and you just edit. So all you just need to do is to put your name, put all those details that ChatGPT put out for you. Make sure you edit it and put, so your profile summary, let's assume accomplished lead copywriter with over 4 years experience, crafting content, proven track record. Say, I, you want to use I, personalize most of these things. Like, you can even tell it, personalize it with, let's say, your name, Shisum Mwachukwu, um, studied in Nnamdi NAU Oka, graduated in, let's say, 2023, and all of that. And you can also add any other personalities. It should just help you redo it, right? You put your email, don't go look at all these things, put your LinkedIn. Now, so we are going to be going to portfolio website, right? So it helps you do it. You can even personalize, you can even tell it, you can even add the name of the organizations just to even, it will help you put it there again. That's the power of AI, right? You don't need to waste your time trying to create something. All you just need to do now is to design this. And if I want, I can just copy this, right? And go to, let's say, docs. This is not best approach, right? Um, then I'm just showing you if design is going to take you time and you really need to apply to a job very quickly, you can use a Google Docs document as your portfolio, as your resume, sorry. But then know that they can easily, this is dangerous because if you're using AI, your employer will definitely find out. They can copy your details and check if it is written by AI. So this is dangerous. All you just need to do is to remove all these asterisks and all of that. Um, and all of that. And once you're done removing all of that details, remove all the asterisks, then you can share it. You can share the link to someone or you download it and send it to them. So, but like I said, if you're going to use AI, make sure you rewrite these things very, very well and put in your own stuff, put in what you actually did. Don't describe something that you did. This is just AI content, but then it's going to guide you. So you're not like, oh, how are you going to create? And you know, if you create content like this, it is going to be perfect and according to standard because this is already like refined data through many standard resumes. And you can even tell it to generate a standard resume. And many other things. All you just need to do is once you're done with the final output from ChatGPT, edit it and let it put in your real details there. The next one is we talked about getting a portfolio website, right? Okay. So you could use Wix. There's a platform called Wix. Wix is wix.com. Wix.com, you could use it to create websites, or some people use Webflow, right? Or some use Framer. But then these platforms are paid when you can build with web. I would prefer use Wix or Webflow, anyone you want to use, and you can go and check their templates. They have templates which you could use to build your website for free. Now, once you're done building, if you're a developer, you can build and host on Vercel or Netflix. Other way is also going to GitHub. This one is for programmers, right? So if you go to GitHub, you can search for portfolio websites. You can see people's portfolio websites, clone it, and relaunch it on like edit your details and relaunch it on Vercel. But also check the instructions. Some people will write that if you have to use their platform, that is, if you have to use their platform. Some people write if you have to use their GitHub code, you have to reference them. Uh, so there are some of them I know also that are there. And also, if you want to create a portfolio website, you can also, one thing I advise to do is also check best portfolio websites, right, on Google. So you see other people's examples. And when you see like you see this one is top 19, top 60, top 18, just check and see what is there. Understand how these guys are creating their websites, and probably like you could learn from them to create yours. The last one is pricing, right? So you need to have a price list of all your services because um, some clients they want to know that you are um, transparent and all of that. So if you create a pricing offer, it's not really the best, but it's good because If you send it to them, they will not feel like you're just charging them now. You can send it to your clients if you're on a sales call. It looks something like you can come to Canva to look for such kind of things. You can see pricing lists, service price list. Just design something, something like this. Any of the stuff that you want to pick, you just pick. See, I'd like something like this, but this looks very, very standard and all of that. So just pick something like that. That should be like the that should work. So um so that was just it. All right, thank you guys.